So I wake up every day, get my day started. Got the little one, he was outside. Every time I look out the door, he come. He stayed 2 doors away, but I've been feeding him, so he got big homie out here. His head busted. He don't care. As long as he gets something to eat. That's all I be doing. Taking care of everything but me. Go in here, show y'all. My cat trying to run into the, give me, my grandma gonna hear him and give me in trouble. Ain't nobody on all that. Get on back here. Put him in a room or something. This little nigga, man. Try to put him in a room so he could be cool. He steady want to run out. Watching my football game. No PlayStation 5. First I gotta go check on my grandma. Check on my grandma. She in there, got changed up too. That's what I do. She in there sleep. Get her to it. She did number 2 all night. My fault for showing y'all this, but hey, it's real life. On my mama. My mama said, help my granny. I don't care about nothing. Yeah. Spraying it up. That's what you do, man. You help people before you go outside and help anybody. On my mama. That's what my mama taught me. Don't leave unless your house is straight. You know how people jumping up for people that ain't even I helped my grandma before anybody. Before anybody. What I look like. This stuff hard work. This all exercise to me though, because I don't get to play sports, you know. I don't get to play my sports like that, you know. When it get cold, you got to chill out, create, do some stuff. Phone trying to die. Yeah, that's what I do. Looking grandma up. This is a life with no job, boy. How you gotta roll? Find something to do. Help the old folks. You help people your age, that's your ass. Cause they is not helping back. They not helping back. I'm just being real, man. They don't like when you be too real. I don't care though. Like it or love it. Like it or hate it. Do whatever you do. Just stop faking it. So y'all cannot have the fake no more. Y'all just fake as they come, huh? They just fake as they come. Who this cat? Yeah, we going back to my grandma's room. I ain't even show y'all my mom and dad on the wall and stuff. But yeah, this is what I do daily. Make sure grandma's straight. Spray it up. She was all night in here. I forgot about that. You know it's hard. I be needing help, so somebody come out and do their little thing. But I say I got all this, man. It ain't nothing. That's a tape. Let me go in here with this cat, man. This silly woolly ass cat. Be thinking I'm his mama, man. Be sucking on my clothes, man. Like, hold on. You know it's dark. I'm in a room. It's morning time, but ain't no light in that room. That's why you gotta go to sleep in it. This nigga be thinking I'm his mama, bro. I don't know where that be coming from. But yeah, I've been on this YouTube for 3 years, man, trying to make something happen. Got 3 pages. I got a beat maker page. I got a work page, and I got page I game on. 3 years. None of them hitting like they supposed to. So I'm doing something wrong. And I ain't give up either. I made down there 1,000 videos. I ain't give up. Just gotta let it do what it do, man. One day it'll hit, one day it won't. But as long as you keep going, don't stop, you're all good. That's all I be trying to do. Make stuff happen. This cat is funny though. Won't let me leave. Won't let me do nothing. Every move I make, he on it. Or she, whatever one is. I can't tell if a boy and a cat. I mean a boy or girl. Thank you, he left. Hate the kittens being out, man. They don't get attacked. They know how to survive this cold shit. Stupid dogs running around. Don't need no cat dying on me. Ain't nobody on all that. But this cat won't let me live. The cat won't let me live. Well, he could be doing the most. This cat won't let me alone. Won't leave me alone. Cat won't leave me alone. He on some whole other. I'm like, okay, I can live with this. I ain't finna stay in no room though. Gotta walk around or something. Go back. Got to clean out the toilet. He don't know where to go. Let's go. Go in there if you want to. Gotta go back here. Look, he just be on me. Watching my football game on my channel. Go check it out. NCAA football 25. Let me show y'all how I do this making money stuff. Like I just be all over the place. But when you got a computer and you got a brain a little bit to be your own boss, let me show y'all a little something. Like I got a couple of sites. I got a couple of sites that I be doing. Keep me from the job. I don't gotta work. I just gotta do enough. Do enough, stay black and die. All that other stuff, I don't know what that's about. But let me show you. Found something to do good. Yeah, we're gonna go to Distro Kid, show y'all a little. I make beats and stuff. Like I make the beats. YouTube trying to copyright me for my own beats. I'd be like, good lord. Good lord. You see that? They gonna give me $6.52. $6.52. But I gotta get my card on. Yeah, that's my PlayStation 5. Took the walls off. You gotta breathe. I would show my Robin Hood, but I ain't getting on that unless I wasn't using my phone. I can show y'all that too. I know how to trade. But yeah, I'm trying to record all this little stuff. See, that's what they trying to pay. $6.52. $6.52 for 6 months. Don't ask people to share your music and stuff, boy. These people only support celebrities. Only support celebrities. I don't understand. I ain't trying to understand. Go to my YouTube analytics. Show y'all a little something in here. 3 years, man. I've been trying and trying. I really ain't trying. I'm doing the best I can. I just can't be fake in this fake world. Like, I see YouTube, the more fake you is, the more people believe you. Like, come on, man. The more fake you is, the more people believe you. Man, not the really you are, the people who believe you. It's how fake you gotta be. It's how fake you gotta be. I can't be fake, man. I'm real. Only fake to the fakers. Yeah, let me show y'all. Show we these anesthetics. I'm surviving with no job. That's the name of the title. I'm surviving with no job. Cause you got internet everywhere. They don't know nothing about this or something. They don't know nothing about this stuff. Yep. Trying to load this page up to show y'all. Show y'all how we living in here. Let's go to these studios. Got 3 pages, like I said. Music, gaming, and the work page. I don't got no real job. I just got jobs because I am the jobs. Does that make any sense to anybody? Yeah. Real life, man. This all off computer. One little phone, record. Trying to show the world that YouTube can be easy, but for me, boy, this stuff is hot. This stuff hard, but I make it look fun. It can't change your life whenever it do that, I guess, but it will change your life. I'm just showing y'all my stats because, whoo, it's hard out here. Had 1,000 subscribers, they took 50 away from me. I don't know what to do. I don't really know what to do if they take it 50. Like, that was on GP. My fault, I left the computer, y'all. Had to go make sure my grandma was cool. Then the cat was running around. Yeah, back to what we was trying to do. Go ahead and show y'all this. I'm gonna put shorts all on my page. All the shorts. All these shorts really mess my page up because it's all over the place. Like it's real the gaming, but it's like sports, real sports. So I think I messed up somewhere up in there. Real sports and then my game and stuff. But I thought they all went in one category. If I'm playing sports games, it should go with the sports basketball and real life football. What? I'm almost at 1,000,000 views. I don't know what that's gonna do when it hit that, but I'm over 900 views. They finna send me a reward or something. I ain't got no plaques. I had got 1,000 subscribers. They ain't seen no plaque. Look, I'm at 983. Lord, they took 50. I just want the 50 back. I just want the 50 back. I've been doing it since December 12th, 2022. All the way until now. You think I stopped? No way. I ain't stopping nothing. Ain't no point. Got this far, what's the point of stopping? I'm gonna keep on going and going and going. Look at that, 919 out here. I'm trying to be something. I teach football, basketball, any kind of sport. I just can't get outside because Chicago is hectic. I'm gonna have to show my shit in the backyard. Yep. As soon as it get a little warm. As soon as it get a little warm. As soon as it get a little warmer. Oh, I do trading too. Robinhood and all that. I say it there, I think. Yeah, I get it in. This how I record, man. I'm sorry, but this how it's gonna go. I'm putting in work. It's hard. It can be easy if you got creativity. Look at my cat, man. He just end up business. Y'all ever had a cat? They just do shit. My fault, but they be just doing the most, man. Can I get my? Can I record? Look, can I record? Jesus, let him in for 2 seconds. He don't know how to act. Just don't know how to act. I'm just trying to survive out here best way I can. Like my granny say, don't worry about these people. These people gonna worry about you. And nobody supposed to even be worried about nobody. That's what's crazy. Everybody competing for the same thing when you can get the same thing if you just team up. These motherfuckers want to be greater than you, huh? Better than you. I don't understand these people, man. I don't. I ain't trying to or don't want to. I'm just gonna keep creating. Hopefully one day this stuff pay off or something. But I'm gonna keep going and going and going. Ain't no stopping this, man. This stuff too fun to be stopping. I don't play like that. Ain't no way I wanna play like that. So if y'all feel me, y'all wanna learn something, y'all come on, ask me some questions, or we up the bam, subscribe, like, cut your notification on, trying to just teach y'all something. Cause I don't know how to do this stuff like this. But I'm gonna show y'all how I work and live every day with no job. I can show that. I don't know how to be fake, but I'm finna show y'all how you can live without no job if you just boss up and be your own boss. I swear. That's all you gotta do. Don't play with these people. Don't compete with these people. If you do find a job, work your job, don't talk to these people. People want to knock you off, not help you up. They want to put you down, not help you up. That's all I know. See, my best friends be cats, dogs, little something. But that's how I was talking life. Just have a helpful heart. People gonna use your heart for weakness. They always doing it. But it is what it is.